So it's giveaway time. Last week I drew the names Abyss Dredging for the vlog kit, Small Wave Surfer for the light wand, and Keith Hurley for the pocket light. And two of them haven't even claimed their prizes. Actually, let's just give them 5 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's official. It's a redraw.
Mr. Black.
The vlogging kit from US Key Vision was actually claimed yesterday by Abyss Dredging. They just got it in time. And fair enough, because they were away on one of their dredges, and I actually had to look at their channel and I was like, whoa, it's actually pretty cool. You should check them out. They even told me that if I was ever in New Zealand, they would take me on one of those adventures. So I'm thinking, maybe I won't ship this. Maybe I'll just go over with it. But anyways, congratulations, Abyss Dredging, for this. This is really cool. And if you're interested in vlogging, definitely check out this vlogging kit from US Key Vision. I'll put a link in the description. It's a great way to get started because you have everything you need right here for a very affordable price, and highly recommended. But anyway, let's do a redraw on these two great products. So basically we have a website here that picks a random comment from that specific YouTube video. And after we pick that random comment, we just have to make sure it fits the parameters. Like, you know, if I say you have to say a certain thing in the comment, that's the parameters we're talking about. And if I do select your name, you have 1 week from uploading this video. You have 1 week to leave a comment on this specific video, and then also email me letting me know. That way I can kind of connect the dots and make sure that you are who you say you are. However, one important detail, if you are a member of this channel, you know, for $1, I will actually contact you if I draw your name. So that's a nice little perk. And remember, there is a really good chance that whoever's name I select, that they won't even see it, and I'll have to do another redraw next week. So make sure you go and check out those videos. I'll put the links down below, and you can leave comments down there, making sure that you get in there for the redraw just in case there is. And you can keep an eye out for future videos where I announce giveaways Sunday. So when I upload the video, I'll actually tell you on the video what to do to be part of the giveaway, and then we'll do a giveaway draw for that. All right, now that we've set all of that, let's go ahead and do the draw for the WeLight pocket light. These things are really cool. So here is the WeLight pocket light, and you can see a lot of great comments down here. Just a lot of really good ones here. And let's go ahead and draw a name. So we gotta, so we copy that link, and then we come over to the random picker here. We'll put that link there. Get YouTube comments. I always like to filter duplicate users. We have 80 unique comments. That's great. That's a lot more. And well, do the drum roll. Start. MP Marvin 999, and minimalist gray is what you said, so that fits the parameters. You have 1 week to write a comment and email me. My name is DannyBlack@gmail.com. All right, now let's go ahead and do the light wand. These are really cool from Photo Better, and I like them so much. I have 2 of them, and I don't want to give away one of mine, so I'm actually going to be buying it for my own money. All right, put it in here, filter out duplicate users, get YouTube comments, and we have 87 unique comments. That's really cool. Really cool. So here we go. Drum roll, please. Start. KJ. I'd love to win that Photo Better Sweet Vibe Light Blue is cool. Light number 16 and sub 2. There we go, KJ. Well, you said blue is your favorite color, basically. Blue is cool. So that fits the parameters. So you have 1 week to hopefully see this video and leave a comment and send me an email. So remember, there's a good chance that they won't see this, and we'll do another redraw, plus we're gonna do some other giveaways too next week. So this is gonna be like a giveaway Tuesday kind of thing. It's kind of fun, huh? Yeah, but that's it. More giveaway announcements happening all the time on this channel. Hopefully we will grow big enough to be able to give away GoPros and skateboards and stuff like that, and that'd be really cool. It can happen. All right, see you next time.
Mr. Black.
Can we call you Uncle Blackie?
No.